Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Google Keep Reminders, productivity guide step by step clearly. To begin using Google Keep Reminders, first, open the Google Keep app on your device or access it via a web browser. Next, locate the Take a Note section at the top of the screen. Click on it to create a new note where you'll add your reminder. Once the note interface opens, look for the Remind Me option, usually represented by a bell icon. Select the bell icon to open the reminder settings. Here, you can choose when you want to be reminded. You can set a specific date and time or opt for a location-based reminder. For a date and time, simply select the corresponding options and adjust the fields accordingly. For a location reminder, toggle the location option and enter the address where you'd like to receive the alert. After setting your reminder, tap Done to save it to your note. Now, add any additional content to your note if necessary, including text, images, or lists. When you're satisfied with your note, click the Save button. Your reminder will now appear in your Google Keep note and on your reminders list. To view your reminders, navigate to the sidebar on the left and select Reminders. Here, you can see all your active reminders and their respective details. If you ever need to edit a reminder, simply click on it from the reminders list. You can change the date, time, or even the content of the note itself. For a quick overview of your reminders, use the search bar at the top to find specific tasks by keywords. Additionally, Google Keep allows you to set recurring reminders for tasks that need to be done regularly. To do this, go back to the reminder settings and look for the option to customize recurrence. This is particularly useful for tasks like weekly meetings or monthly reports. Experiment with different reminder options to see what works best for your productivity style. Finally, integrate Google Keep Reminders with other Google services like Google Calendar for a comprehensive task management system. This can help you stay on top of your obligations and maximize your efficiency. Using Google Keep Reminders can significantly enhance your productivity and keep you organized. Try out these features to create a personalized reminder system that suits your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.